Hey, this is Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today I'm going to show you how to build this bookcase. This behind me here is a chimney. There used to be a fireplace here, but the previous owner of this house blocked it up and we left it like this. But with a fireplace also means you got alcoves. This alcove here is particularly annoying because it's next to a window. So you can't put anything in the space here. No wardrobe, no bookcase, no chest, because you block out the daylight. And I love light and airy spaces. I don't want to block out any of the daylight coming here into the back of my studio. So I had to think of a solution, how to create storage, but also leave all daylight for coming in. So have a look at what I've done. So this is the space, and as you can see the little wall where the window is, it's very narrow. I can't build a normal bookcase there, but I got a solution. But first I'm gonna build the base, and the base is gonna be a big chest, creating loads and loads of storage space for me, but also the chest will later on be the backrest for a little bench that I'm gonna build in this space. So I'm gonna measure up the space. I'm not gonna give you specific measurements because this is a very unique build for my situation, but of course you can replicate this in your house. Just measure how wide it has to be and how deep. And from 18mm thick plywood, cut the front and the two sides to size. I'm not going to bother with the back because I don't really need one. And sand all the edges nice and smooth. Apply some wood glue to the two sides. And let me just stop it here because as you can see there's a little notch cut out of the back of the side. That's just to make space for my high skirting board. And then with my nail gun I just attach the front to the two sides. Now for the piece that's going to make the lid, I made a mark at 9cm from the back and I cut this in two pieces. I'm just going to look if it fits okay. So the back is going to be attached to the chest and the front is going to be hinged on, so you can open it. Attach your two hinges, first to the lid and then to the back piece. Have a little try again if it fits. And then you can apply some wood glue just to the back 9cm. Gonna get some wood glue and you're gonna nail that 9cm piece in place. Do the same on the other side and now you have a working lid. Very easy storage chest. And this is how it's gonna look when it's completely finished. So being as a flush with the wall. And now we're gonna build the bookcase that goes on top of it. And for the bookcase I'm using a 9mm thick plywood, and to help me cut a straight line I'm just attaching a piece of batten to my plywood so my saw can run alongside the batten, so I'm cutting a nice straight line. And once again with your sander you're gonna sand the edges nice and smooth. And somehow I stopped filming for this, I just did photographs. But what you're gonna do on the two side pieces that you just cut, you're gonna mark where your shelves need to go. And on those mark lines you're gonna drill two holes. These holes is where you're gonna attach pieces of batten. And the batten is gonna be glued and screwed in place. And this is where you're gonna rest your shelves on. So it's gonna look like while you screw it in place. And these are the finished two sides. And as you can see here, one side is very narrow, it's where the window is. And the other side is wider. I'm gonna take a picture of this, but these two side pieces you slot besides the chest you just built. So you're gonna glue and nail these in place from inside the chest. And you're gonna cut out your shelves also with a 9mm plywood, and this is where my little trick comes in, because as you can see I cut my shelves on an angle. The first 40cm is the same depth as the whole bookcase, and then it's narrowing to the depth of where the window is, which is only 9cm. You're gonna glue and nail your shelves to place and start with the top shelf. As you can see, the top shelf first and then the one below. And you're gonna glue and nail all your shelves in place. And this is what your bookcase is gonna look like. So as you can see on the left, the shelves are as deep as the alcove, and on the right, they are as deep as the little piece it is before I hit the window. So they got a nice angle, so I got storage space, but I'm not blocking any of the daylight. Then I gave the bookcase and the chest a nice coat of white paint. I left one shelf the color of plywood though, for like nice little accent. And my storage unit, without blocking the daylight, is all complete. And for security reasons, I did put a corner bracket between the bookcase and the wall so it won't topple over. I got heaps of storage now, especially in here. When I open this, all my photography equipment and stuff I don't really want to have lying around, like Kiki's toys, are all in here. Then on the shelves I got my plants and a few books just to make it look really nice and homely. And not blocking any of the daylight. I really like this storage unit. And the bed I'm sitting on, that's actually against this now, will be a tutorial as well for another day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and have a look on my website hester'shandmadehome.com for more craft and DIY ideas for your home. I'll be back soon with a new video, hope to see you then.